Inflammation is a natural response of the body's immune system to injury or illness. However, chronic inflammation can lead to numerous health issues, including arthritis, heart disease, diabetes, and even cancer. Diet plays a significant role in either mitigating or exacerbating inflammation. Certain foods, particularly those high in sugar, unhealthy fats, and refined carbs, can fuel this inflammatory response. Here's a closer look at the worst culprits and why they should be limited or avoided for better health. Sugary foods and beverages. High sugar intake is one of the leading causes of chronic inflammation. Foods and drinks like soda, candy, pastries, and sweetened cereals are packed with added sugars. Consuming these regularly can spike blood sugar levels, leading to an increase in inflammatory markers such as C reactive protein. High fructose corn syrup, commonly found in many processed foods, is particularly harmful as it can lead to insulin resistance, a precursor to diabetes. Refined carbs. Refined carbs, such as white bread, white rice, and pasta, are stripped of their fiber and nutrients, causing rapid spikes in blood sugar and insulin levels. This not only promotes inflammation, but can also lead to weight gain, further contributing to inflammatory processes. Whole grains, on the other hand, have the opposite effect due to their fiber content, which helps regulate blood sugar levels. Fried foods. Fried foods, including French fries, fried chicken, and donuts, are typically cooked in unhealthy oils at high temperatures. These foods contain trans fats and high levels of advanced glycation end products, both of which are potent inflammatory compounds. Trans fats found in many fried and commercially baked products can increase levels of LDL, bad cholesterol, and decrease HDL, good cholesterol, promoting inflammation and increasing the risk of cardiovascular disease. Processed meats. Processed meats such as bacon, sausage, and deli meats are high in saturated fats, sodium, and preservatives like nitrates. These compounds contribute to inflammation and are linked to increased risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease and certain cancers. The high sodium content in these meats can also lead to increased blood pressure, adding another layer of risk for inflammation related health problems. Excessive alcohol. While moderate alcohol consumption can have some health benefits, excessive drinking is a major cause of inflammation. Chronic alcohol intake can disrupt the balance of good gut bacteria, promoting intestinal permeability or leaky gut and systemic inflammation. It can also lead to liver damage, which further exacerbates inflammatory responses throughout the body. Dairy products. For many people, dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt can be inflammatory. This is particularly true for individuals who are lactose intolerant or have a sensitivity to casein, a protein found in dairy. These sensitivities can cause gastrointestinal inflammation and other inflammatory responses in the body. Gluten. Gluten, a protein found in wheat, barley, and rye, can be a significant inflammatory agent for those with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity. Even in individuals without these conditions, there is some evidence to suggest that gluten can promote inflammation in the gut, leading to systemic inflammatory responses. Vegetable oils. Certain vegetable oils, such as corn, soybean, and sunflower oil, are high in omega 6 fatty acids. While omega 6 fatty acids are essential in small amounts, the modern diet tends to have an imbalance, with a much higher intake of omega 6 compared to omega 3 fatty acids. This imbalance can promote inflammation, so it's important to limit these oils and increase the intake of omega 3 rich foods like fish, flax seeds, and walnuts. Chronic inflammation is a silent contributor to many serious health conditions. By understanding and avoiding the worst dietary culprits of inflammation, such as sugary foods, refined carbs, fried and processed meats, excessive alcohol, certain dairy products, gluten, and vegetable oils, you can take significant steps toward better health. Opt for a diet rich in whole foods, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats to reduce inflammation and promote overall well being.